Things you will need: replacement Cub Cadet belt. Place your Cub Cadet mower on an even, flat surface. Remove the ignition key and set the parking brake. Notice the belt replacement guide situated on the left floorboard to obtain a valuable outline of how the belt is attached. Grip the attachment lever position adjacent to the steering wheel, on the right. Push the top button to release it. Pull the lever back until you unlock the mower deck. Pull the entire mower deck free from the Cub Cadet. Grip the lever again and push it all the way forward until the motor housing reaches its lowest level. Slide underneath the lawn tractor and manually pull the non-working drive belt off the engine pulley. Seize the retainer pin holding both clutch retainer springs to the pulley bolt and pull it out. The retainer springs are situated in the dead center of the mowing deck. Take off both retainer springs to pull off the belt collar and unfasten the main housing bracket. Pull the broken belt off the mower's stationary idler pulley, then yank the final remaining part of the drive belt off the clutch idler pulley. Both idler pulleys can be found immediately adjacent to the engine pulley. Fasten the replacement Cub Cadet drive belt tightly to the grooves on the clutch idler pulley. Manually rotate the clutch idler pulley 1/2 turn. Affix the remaining section of the replacement belt to the stationary idler pulley until the belt is taut. Realign the portions of the mower housing and lock the retainer springs. Reinsert the metal pin to secure the retainer. Align the mower body housing and lock it back into the front of the Cub Cadet. Grasp the clutch lever once more and pull it back to set the deck to your desired height. Start your Cub Cadet GT mower and check for correct operation.